Hey, it's Jo. Here are the most amazing buildings in the world. First on our list is the Lotus building in Wujin, China. I'll insert a photo, and as you can see, sobrang ganda ang building na to. I believe professionals yung gumawa nitong building na to kasi sobrang ganda. Mukha talaga siyang lotus and kumbaga crafted to perfection. So this building is an artificial lake at the center of Wujin, China. This beautiful building takes its name and form from the blooming lotus flower. The architect's idea was to create an amazing atmosphere, which I believe na achieve naman nila despite the weather or the season. So this building is home to departments of the city's planning bureau. Next on our list is this beautiful, incredible hotel in the Alps. As you can see, para lang siyang dinikit doon sa gilid ng bato. For sure, sobrang hirap nitong gawin kasi parang mahirap na ngang mag-build ng building sa patag. And what more, kung gaano kahirap mag-build ng ganito ka gandang hotel in the Alps. So the building creator is Andrei Rozko, and he was inspired by the dramatic mountain landscape. The hotel is in a cliffside and has a striking glass facade. Sobrang ganda nitong hotel na to, pero medyo nakakatakot siyang tingnan, but kung magkakaroon ng chance, definitely I would want to go to this hotel. Next on our list is this Lotus temple in the village of Bahapur, India. This grand building is another lotus flower in the main worship house of the Baha'i faith. I'm not sure if it's Baha'i, but yeah, its doors are open to everyone regardless of religion, which is really nice because you get to see, the beautiful building and ma-appreciate talaga yung itsura ng Lotus Temple. This building has 9 doors that lead to the central hall of the temple, which symbolizes the unity of all religions. Sobrang ganda. Next on our list is these cubic houses of Rotterdam, Netherlands. This is a group of 40 houses on Overblack Street in Rotterdam, and this building gives the impression that the whole world has turned upside down. Maganda yung kulay kasi 'di ba pagka dilaw, eye-catching, and yung itsura niya ang ganda. Ang ganda ng architecture. Parang ang naalala ko dito nung nakita ko is si Bumblebee. Para siyang magta-transform, parang ganyan. So, the houses were constructed by the architect Piet Blom. Sorry, I'm going to butcher a lot of names in this video, lalo na kung ibang language. So, lahat ng walls and windows dito sa houses na to are angled at 45 degrees. Ang ganda. And may mga private apartments sa loob ng building. Next on our list is the Atomium in Brussels, Belgium. Yung naaalala ko dito sa itsura ng building na to is sineskwela. Sobrang old school. For sure, alam naman ng mga tao kung ano yung sineskwela. That was a TV show about science sa ABS-CBN noon. So this building, if you look into it, you might think that it's just a huge sculpture made of metal. Kung titignan mo lang siya sa labas. However, this is a fully featured building. Kung i-follow nyo yung mga tubes You can move between the spheres and reach a science museum or a restaurant. So sa loob ng building, may museum and may restaurant. I believe yung mga parang maliliit na bakal is a maybe escalator or of course, hindi ka naman siguro palalakarin paakyat, or I'm not sure, maybe may elevator sa gitna. And yung mga maliliit na, yung mga nagko-connecta dun sa mga bilog-bilog is a pathway, something like that. The Atomium depicts 9 iron atoms in the shape of the body-centered cubic unit cell of an iron crystal. Next on our list is the City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia, Spain. This is an outstanding example of a modern architecture. Sobrang ganda. Yung picture sa baba, mukha siyang tinik ng isda. Pero yung picture sa taas, sobrang ganda. Para siyang malaking vessel na nasa gitna ng dagat, kumbaga. This is located right on the water in the middle of the park in Valencia. Mukha siyang futuristic, mukha siyang skeleton ng malaking pating, kumbaga. This complex consists of 5 buildings: a covered plaza, an IMAX cinema, a park, a science museum, and an oceanographic park sa loob. Ganda. Next on our list is the Heydar Aliyev Center in Baku, Azerbaijan. Heydar Aliyev Center is probably the most curious and recognized building in Baku. Sino naman ang hindi makaka-recognize? Sobrang ganda nung architecture. Very, very futuristic, kumbaga. And ang may gawa nitong building na to is a brilliant female architect named Zaha Hadid. She is known for her love of alien shapes, hence the architecture. She designed the fluid form of this building, and inside this building is an exhibition halls and offices. Next on our list is the Emporia shopping mall in Malmo, Sweden. This shopping center is the biggest in Scandinavia. It looks like a double bent glass which encloses the diagonal slit that cuts through the building as if it's going to fall. Para siyang morph, kumbaga. Para siyang sumasayaw kung titingnan mo. Inside this building, visitors and shoppers can find colorful escalators, swings, instead of sitting benches, diba sa loob ng mga mall, may mga upuan dyan, pwede ka umupo. Pero dito sa loob ng Emporia, you'll see swing and hanging gardens. Next on our list is the La Muralla Roja in Calpe, Spain. There is a housing project in the south of Spain where everyone would love to live, and this is La Muralla Roja in Calpe, Spain. It can be translated as red wall, kasi obviously kulay red siya, and the building makes a clear reference to the popular architecture of the Arab Mediterranean area. Inside the building, the red color switches to purple and blue. Kung makikita nyo dun sa picture sa taas, medyo purplish yung rooftop. Siguro because malapit din siya sa ocean. Next on our list is ArtScience Museum in Singapore. This museum is one of the main attractions of Singapore. Makikita nyo rin dito yung Marina Bay sa taas, sobrang ganda. Lalo na sa gabi, sobrang ganda. Its shape reminds one of cupped palms of a lotus flower. The three skyscrapers in the background with a ship on top of them are Marina Bay Sands, a luxurious hotel and another architectural masterpiece of Singapore. I've been in Singapore in 2015 and unfortunately hindi kami nakapasok sa loob ng Marina Bay, sa labas lang. Pero sa labas pa lang talaga ma-appreciate mo na kung gaano siya kaganda. And also itong ArtScience Museum, lalo na sa gabi kasi nga madaming ilaw. Next on our list is the Capital Gate in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. At 502 feet and 35 stories, it is one of the tallest building in Abu Dhabi. The Guinness World Records certified Capital Gate as the world's furthest leaning man-made tower. Kasi para siyang may bewang. Medyo nakalin siya. The tower leans 18 degrees. And for comparison, yung Pisa na nakalin din, Pisa's tower leans only 4 degrees. And this tower is 18 degrees. So, para siyang si Pilita Corrales na nakaliyad, kumbaga. Next on our list is the Markthal in Rotterdam, Netherlands. This is a market hall. Hindi siya masyadong halata na market hall siya kasi sobrang ganda. And this is the most beautiful building in the world according dun sa article. Even the Queen of the Netherlands came to the opening ceremony of this market hall. This market is located inside a residential building in the shape of an arch. The inside of the building is adorned with artwork by Arno Conen, fruits, veggies, fish, and flowers. Kasi nga market nga. That is why some call the market the Sistine Chapel of Rotterdam. Next on our list is the Guggenheim Museum in Spain. This is one of the world's most spectacular buildings in the style of deconstructivism. Mukha siyang malaking gagamba. Mukha siyang creepy sa malayo. Kasi alam niyo yung malalaking gagamba, di ba? Yung mahahaba, yung paa. Ganun yung itsura niya. Yung architect ng building na to ay si Philip Johnson. And dinidescribe niya tong building na to as the greatest building of our time daw, quote-unquote. The museum has both permanent and temporary exhibitions, and the permanent exhibition is devoted to the art of the 20th century. And iba pa to, itong Guggenheim Museum sa Spain is a different one from the Guggenheim Museum in New York City kasi meron ding ganitong museum sa New York. Nakakatakot yung designan dun sa labas na parang gagamba. Kaloka. Okay. Last but not the least is the Kunsthaus Graz in Austria. Medyo nahirapan ako sa pag-pronounce itong building na to, yung name ng building. Kasi this is located in Austria. And based on my research, yun daw yun, Kunsthaus Graz. Basta yun na yun. Kung paano niyo i-pronounce, bahala na kayo. This gallery of modern art is called the Friendly Alien. Kasi kung makikita niyo dun sa picture sa taas, mukha siyang UFO na may maliliit na scales or para siyang spotlight, kumbaga. Some people see the heart of a whale in the building's shape. So, mukha nga naman siyang heart na may mga valve. The Kunsthaus is made in the innovative style of blob architecture, a movement in architecture in which buildings have an organic amoeba-shaped form. Moreover, the alien glows at night. So, siguro sa gabi, maraming ilaw yung building, so mukha talaga siyang UFO, parang alien-y vibe.